E weche mag tuke en ni tim mar Gor Mahia obago Ramogi kamotelo ne tugo maduong' mar liga e kindgi kod Shabana odiochieng' makinya. Tugo no kiny no chakre saa 8 e alap magusi e boma ma Kisii. Jatuk Gor Austin Odhiambo olero ni gionge gi kibaji moramora motelo ne tugo no, ka jatugo wadgi Matthew Gada tolero ni gin gadiera mar duogo Nairobi gi point 3. Kocha Sinisa Mihik korka kore ochayo tuk Shabana kowacho ni gisechano kaka gidhi nyono timno mawuok Kisii.
Sisi kwetu it's a normal game na hiyo ni on the side of my fans, because to me I feel kwangu na feel more pressure playing the derby instead of the Gusii. Wanasema about the Gusii derby. Mi kwangu I feel the Mashemeji derby is more iko na pressure mob na it's something that fans wetu wanacherish sana.
It's going to be an entertaining match. Simply because both teams have had good outings in the weekend. So we expect a good match this coming Sunday. But for us, we are going to it with a different motive and a different aim. We are going for a win, actually. We are not going for anything less than 3 points. So we have to fight for it.
We'll find the best thing. Already I know how they play. I already watched them. I know how they play, and even they don't know how they play. They shoot ball from everywhere, and then what's happened? Yes, I saw many goals. They shoot from everywhere, even from the 40-meter, and maybe some rebound ball, and they force. But we have the solution how to absorb this and how to make them calm.